Come here, Grammie. Let me show you where we walked.
You gotta see Grammie
Where?
outside.
We just walked to Grammie's through the blizzard of 2015. This was the hardest part.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You take the picture?
Look at.
Oh my God!
Look at the trail.
Oh my God! You guys are nuts! Crazy bastards! Oh my God!
I dragged my pregnant wife out in the blizzard.
Oh, you're crazy! Shame on you! Now what if she fell down or something?
Oh, I held her the whole time. Something else.
We're probably gonna die, buddy. Oh, my nose. Hey, buddy, your face hurts so bad.
Yeah.